Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice to meet you all again. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are all well. I hope you guys are all fine wherever you are. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw your brows by yourself. Like simple brows tutorial, do it yourself is what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to be making it very simple and easy as possible, so you guys don't have a problem when you're trying it by yourself. So you guys should sit down and relax and watch till the end of this video. First thing I'm going to be doing is to be using this to brush my eyebrows. So I'm going to be brushing it up. I'm going to be applying my brow tint, but because I don't have a brow tint, I'm going to be using my edge booster. So I'm brushing it up, so it's going to give it that jelly fine look. So you just brush it up by following your brows. So I'm going to be doing so for the other side. Having done that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to be setting my brows using a setting powder. So I'm going to be using setting powder by Morphe. I hope you guys can see. It is a bake and set. That was too much. You guys should forgive me. Done that, the next thing you want to do is to start drawing your brows. So I'm going to be using this brow pencil. I got it from Nuban Beauty, so that's what I'm going to be using for. You can use normal eye pencil, Davis pencil, you can use any pencil, anyone is fine, but this is what I'm going to be using today. I use different kind of pencils as well, but I'm going to be using this particular one today. So this is it. So the first thing you do, you can see me moving closer because I want you guys to see me very well. So the first thing you do is to follow the shape of your brows. Do not go up, do not go down. So I'm going to be following the shape of my brows now. And you're not painting, just follow the shape of your brows, drawing a straight line. As you can see, just follow the shape of your brows, guys. You are going to get it. Then what you do next for this side, you don't start from the beginning of the upper side. You start from where I'm starting now, just to give it a fine look. That's the rationale. So you just follow the shape of your brows. Then you curve your hand at the end to join the other one. Can you see that, guys? Okay, so I ask you not to start from the beginning. You would ask what I want to use that for. So from the beginning, you just try to like join it just a bit. Then this side, all you just need to do is just to draw a stroke. What you're doing is to draw a stroke. So you're stroking in between the lines and not shading. You are not shading. You just draw a stroke. And this, you just draw a line in front. Why are we doing this? It's to make the brows look natural. Okay, so I'm going to be concealing my brows now, and I'm going to be using my concealer. This is also from Nuban Beauty in My Skin. So I'm going to be putting some in my hand, at the back of my hand. Okay guys, so actually if you want to conceal, I use different shades of concealer, different shades for this side, different shades for this side. But because this is the beginner's brow tutorial and I want it to be simple as possible, so I'm not going to be using different shades. I'm just going to be using one shade that matches my skin. So now we are going to start with the concealing. So when you start with the concealing, you don't start from the front, you start from the middle. And you're just going to be following the line which you've created. Then you continue with the front. Usually I do this because I use different shades of concealer. That's why I start from that end which I started from, but because of this tutorial I'm just going to be using one shade of concealer. So you're not reducing, you only try to like reduce your brows if they are not equal. And trust me guys, there's no brows that can be equal. None is equal, so you just have to like make it look alike as possible. Having done that, you want to like blend, you want to blend what you've just concealed. So I'm going to be going with I'm going to be using my powder to blend, and I'm going to be using the shades, my exact shade or a little bit lighter, just to make the brows pop. So I'm going to be going in with my powder palette now. So because I want it to pop, I'm going to be using a shade that is lighter than me, just a bit. So the next thing we want to do now is to highlight the upper part as well, so it can give it this fine brows. Yeah, so I'm just going to be following what I have drawn. Just follow the shape, that's all. All you just need to do is to follow the shape. Very simple, right? So you just follow the shape, then you try to like brush this out. I think I made a mistake. I already over cleaned this, so I'm going to like refresh it back. Trust me guys, everybody makes mistake. No one is perfect. There's no perfect brow tutorial. I'm going to be doing the front. And I'm just going to be brushing this just as we did for the other side. So guys, having done that, you're just going to be like brushing it. just a bit to give it the natural look. And now you want to blend. So we are going to be doing the same. So this time around, for the upper part, you can use the powder of your skin shade because it's the upper part. So I'm just going to be blending. So use this bigger brush. I'm using the bigger brush because it blends better than the smaller one. So guys, can you see it's very simple, guys? So that's the end of my brow tutorial for you guys. It's very simple, it doesn't even take much of your time. So can you see, guys? So just to make your face like blend all together, you just need to like apply some powder. So guys, it's very simple. That's the end of my brows tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this video. So this is just a beginner's brow tutorial, just simple. You want to just draw this very simple brows and go, so you can actually get this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and you please don't forget to like my video, share my video, drop a comment in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. And if you want me to make more of videos like this, like makeup, do it yourself, simple, I mean the tutorial I'm going to be doing on this channel is going to be simple. What do I mean? Like a very simple. I don't want complicated, because when I started learning makeup, I just, you know, one thing is that when you start learning from simple, you get it. Nobody's going to teach you, you just keep getting it. But you don't want anything complicated for starters or beginners, so that's why I'm making it very simple. So if you guys enjoyed this video, kindly please drop a comment in the comment section, like my video, share my video, turn on your notification bell, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.